Hey guys, it's time for another market report, and it's been a while, but it's a great time to look because the market has been changing. Let's take a look at what's happened up to October 2021. Let's get right to it. I'm Tim Higham with Remax Core Realty here in Prince George. Just want to take 2-3 minutes to chat with you about what's been happening in the market. We'll look at detached houses within the city limits up to the end of September. 92 sales compared to 113 last year. That's a decline of 18.6%. Active listings 212 compared to 185 from last year. That's an increase of 14.6%. New listings 111 compared to 101 last year. That's an increase of 9.9%. So already we're seeing some indicators of the market slowing. We have decreased sales, we have increased active listings, and increased new listings. More listings, less sales, slowing down. Median days on market, 24.5 compared to 13 from last year. So that's a significant change in the amount of time on market. We're looking at 88.5% increase in time on market. Percent of original sales price right now, 97.1%. Last year it was 98%. So a little more wiggle room on price as well. Average price per square foot, we're looking at $206 compared to $193 from last year. So that's up 6.7%. Supply, we're sitting at 2.4 months compared to 2.6 last year. Very similar, still really a seller's market, but the conditions are changing for sure. Average sales price, we're looking at $448K compared to $438K last year, only up 2.2% over the year. So think about that for a second. So really, let's have a summary. Buyers, there's more opportunity right now than there has been in a long time. There's more wiggle room on price, there's more inventory. Is it statistically a buyer's market? No, it's not. Looking at the amount of supply, it's still a seller's market, but sellers, it's not the same easy, quick, boom sale that it was just a couple months ago. Prices have come down a little bit. Days on market have stretched out quite a bit, and you're definitely looking at more competition. If you're looking, you're going to see a lot more price reductions on homes happening, adjusting to where the market has come down to a little bit. So sellers, got to be more on your toes. Buyers, a little bit more opportunity. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions at all, please connect with me. I would love to chat with you. And until next time, take care.